Have you ever wondered what it's like to wake up as a millionaire? It's not all about luxury and extravagance. The real wealth begins at dawn, with the chirping of birds as the soundtrack of a new day. Millionaires often rise with the sun, embracing the day ahead with gusto. A serene meditation session often follows this early rise, allowing them to clear their minds, focus on their goals, and cultivate a positive mindset. This mental clarity is a key element of their success, a secret weapon, if you will. Next on the agenda, a healthy breakfast. It's not just about fueling the body, but nourishing it. Fresh fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, a meal that champions health and wellness. Because for a millionaire, maintaining a healthy body is as important as nurturing a healthy bank balance. Indeed, for millionaires, wealth begins with a healthy start to the day. What does a millionaire's workday look like, you might ask? Well, it's not all about lounging around in luxury. It's a carefully orchestrated symphony of productivity, strategy, and delegation. One of the key traits of millionaires is their ability to prioritize tasks. They focus their energy on high-value tasks that drive the most impact. They aren't caught up in the minutiae of everyday operations. Instead, they delegate those tasks to a competent team they trust, freeing up their time to focus on bigger picture strategy and decision-making. This isn't to say that millionaires are hands-off. On the contrary, they are deeply involved in the workings of their ventures, but they understand the value of their time. They know that their time is best spent on tasks that require their unique skills and expertise, and they leave the rest to their team. Strategic thinking is another crucial aspect of a millionaire's workday. They're not just thinking about the now, they're always contemplating the next move, the next opportunity, the next big idea. They understand that today's decisions shape tomorrow's outcomes. And so they invest their time in thinking long-term, planning strategically, and making calculated decisions. But perhaps the most important part of a millionaire's work ethic is their commitment to continuous learning and growth. They are perpetual students, constantly seeking to expand their knowledge and improve their skills. They read, they attend seminars, they network, they seek mentors. They understand that to stay ahead in the game, they must keep learning and evolving. And lastly, millionaires understand the importance of balance. They know that all work and no play can lead to burnout. So they make sure to take breaks, recharge, and come back with renewed energy and fresh perspectives. In essence, work for a millionaire is less about labor and more about strategic planning and execution. It's about making smart decisions, delegating effectively, and continuously learning and growing. It's about striking a balance between work and rest, understanding that success is not just about wealth, but also about personal growth and fulfillment. Work for a millionaire is less about labor and more about strategic planning and execution. Ever wondered how millionaires always seem to know the right people? Well, it's no accident. It's the power of networking, a skill as important as any in the millionaire's toolbox. Imagine a web, each strand representing a connection, a relationship, an ally in the world of business and wealth. These are not random connections, but carefully cultivated relationships. Millionaires understand that the right connection can open doors that no amount of money can. They attend events, not merely for the champagne and hors d'oeuvres, but to meet people, to expand their web. It's here they rub shoulders with other successful individuals, potential business partners, investors, or even mentors. They understand that these events are not just social gatherings, but opportunities. But attending events isn't enough. It's about maintaining relationships, keeping the lines of communication open. It's about remembering birthdays, sending holiday cards, or simply checking in from time to time. It's about showing genuine interest and building trust. You see, in the world of millionaires, relationships are not just about business. They're about friendship, mentorship, and mutual growth. They're about learning from each other, supporting each other, and yes, sometimes challenging each other. It's about building a community of like-minded individuals who share a common goal: success. So remember, success isn't just about how much money you have in the bank. It's about the people you know, the relationships you've built, and the network you've created. In the world of millionaires, your network really is your net worth. How does a millionaire unwind after a long day? This is a question that often sparks curiosity. The answer, though diverse, often revolves around unique hobbies and leisure activities that not only provide relaxation, but also add value to their lives. Travel is a popular choice among the affluent, but it's not just about lounging on exotic beaches or shopping in high-end boutiques. Millionaires often embark on educational and enriching journeys, visiting historical sites, exploring different cultures, and engaging in unique local experiences. These travels not only offer escape from the routine, but also broaden their horizons, providing fresh perspectives and inspiration. High-end sports are another preference for millionaires during their downtime. You might find them teeing off at world-class golf courses, sailing on luxurious yachts, or even attending exclusive equestrian events. These activities offer a blend of relaxation, physical challenge, and a touch of adrenaline that keeps them invigorated. The arts also play a significant role in a millionaire's leisure time. Whether it's attending a private art auction, visiting an art gallery opening, or even investing time in creating their own masterpieces, the arts offer a deep sense of fulfillment and a way to express their creative side. And let's not forget about philanthropy. Many millionaires dedicate their leisure time to causes close to their hearts. They may serve on the board of a charity, organize fundraising events, or even personally volunteer their time. This not only brings a sense of purpose and satisfaction, but also makes a positive impact on the world. Lastly, millionaires often invest in personal development during their leisure time. This could be reading insightful books, attending seminars, or even taking up a new skill. They understand that continuous learning is a key to success, and they make sure to dedicate time for it. In essence, millionaires view leisure time not just as a break from work, but as an opportunity for enrichment. They engage in activities that stimulate their minds, challenge their bodies, satisfy their creativity, and fulfill their desire to make a difference. For millionaires, leisure time is about enriching their lives and the lives of others. What role does family play in a millionaire's life, you may ask? The answer is simple, yet profound. Family plays an indispensable role. Despite the glitz and glamour of wealth, the essence of life for millionaires, like for anyone else, is rooted in relationships and family ties. Imagine a day in the life of a millionaire. Amidst the flurry of meetings, negotiations, and decision-making, there's always a moment when they pause, step back from the hustle and bustle, and cherish time with their loved ones. This is because they understand that wealth, in all its forms, is not just about the accumulation of material possessions, but also about enriching experiences and emotional bonds. In the grand scheme of things, these successful individuals recognize that the moments spent laughing at a dinner table, attending a child's school event, or simply taking a walk in the park with a loved one carry an immeasurable value. They prioritize these moments, not just because it provides them a sense of balance and grounding, but because it reminds them of what truly matters. They know that success is not merely defined by the figures in their bank account, but also by the strength of their relationships and the love they share with their family. For them, nurturing these bonds is as important as nurturing their businesses. So, no matter how high they soar, they never lose sight of what keeps them grounded. Even for millionaires, family and relationships are priceless. How does a millionaire conclude their day, you might ask? As the sun dips below the horizon, the millionaire's day doesn't just end with a flick of a switch. Instead, it's a meticulously planned period of reflection, self-improvement, and preparation for the journey of tomorrow. One of the key aspects of a millionaire's evening routine is reading. Not just any reading, but a voracious consumption of knowledge. Books on finance, biographies of successful individuals, industry trends, and motivational literature often grace their nightstands. This isn't merely a hobby, it's a continuous journey of learning, of gaining new insights and honing their perspective. Reflection, too, plays a significant role in the millionaire's night. It's a time to take stock of the day, to evaluate what went well, what didn't, and what could be done better. It's a moment of honesty with oneself, a crucial self-assessment that drives growth and improvement. But a millionaire's day doesn't end with reflection. It also involves planning for the next. They jot down the key tasks for the following day, setting clear goals and priorities. This isn't a vague to-do list, but a detailed roadmap, a blueprint for success. Finally, the importance of a good night's sleep can't be overstated. Millionaires know the value of rest, of replenishing their energy for the challenges of the next day. They understand that sleep is not a luxury, but a necessity, an integral part of maintaining peak performance. In essence, the conclusion of a millionaire's day is as strategic and purposeful as its start. It's about maximizing every moment, every opportunity for growth and success. It's about taking care of one's health, expanding one's knowledge, reflecting on one's actions, and planning for the future. So, as we see, a millionaire's day ends as it began, with a focus on health, wealth, and self-improvement. The journey of a millionaire isn't merely about amassing wealth, but about a holistic approach to life, a relentless pursuit of growth and success. And that's what truly sets them apart.